Okay, queens, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Or should I say, the belly in the dress. After 40, belly fat is like that clingy ex who doesn't want to leave, stubborn, annoying, and always showing up uninvited. But don't worry, I've got 7 foods that actually fight belly fat. And yes, you can enjoy them this Christmas without feeling guilty. 1. Green leafy veggies. Sukuma wiki, spinach, kale. Low in calories, high in fiber. 2. Whole grains. Quinoa, oats, brown rice. Keep you full, reduce cravings. 3. Lean protein. Chicken, fish, beans. Builds muscle, boosts metabolism. 4. Berries. Fight inflammation that leads to belly fat storage. 5. Greek yogurt. Protein plus probiotics equals belly fat's worst nightmare. 6. Green tea. Speeds up fat metabolism. 7. Avocados. Healthy fats that help reduce belly fat storage. Ladies, belly fat isn't just about looks. It's linked to higher risks for heart disease and diabetes after 40. But the good news? Every healthy choice you make pushes that stubborn belly fat out the door. Which one of these belly fat fighting foods is already on your Christmas menu? Drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tomorrow, we are diving into anti-aging foods because glowing at Christmas is non-negotiable.